Alright guys, welcome back to J-Force Gaming, and probably if you're out there looking for Bluetooth speaker, right, there is like a tons of option in the market right now. There is like over 1,000 different plus kinds of Bluetooth speaker, varying from like different price points, like, you know, there's a budget friendly option to those like super expensive options. Alright, but which one can you get for the best, you know, sound quality and at a very affordable range? Well, what I have here is what describes it. So yeah, so this is the Sanag M15, alright, and this speaker is really amazing. Alright, what they offer you in this speaker, alright, can be easily considered a high-end model at a budget price range. So yeah, this is a really awesome speaker that I would love to check out today. Alright, so yeah, this is a Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so let us unbox and see what we get in the package first before I describe more on the speaker itself. So so yeah, we do get a VIP card, alright, with you guys can scan the QR code for like certain features and such. Really awesome. Alright, makes you feel like an actual VIP. Alright, I mean, if you buy the product from them, you are actually a VIP member for them as well. Alright, we do get like some startup guide and some apps to probably download, is it? Alright, yeah, to download the Sanag app so you can control more functionalities with the speaker itself. Alright, we do have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable to charge up the speaker, and that's, I think, all the accessories we get. So yeah, so what I have here is the black version. They do come in other various colors as well, so not only limited to black. So if you guys you know, want other color, they also have it. They have a tons of color selection you guys can select on their website as well. Alright, let's just put everything aside and just take a look at this speaker itself. So yeah, you can see mine is the black and orange version one. I think I really like this color tone. It's really nice. Alright, it feels more like a JBL speaker with the color tone. Yeah, but yeah, huge Sanag logo at the front, and yeah, huge button. Alright, and with a bass woofer over here, so yeah, you can press in, you can see that. So yeah, this also have a bass. Alright, more of like a subwoofer if you guys want to say it. Alright, and this one have a clip so you guys can hang it on your back as well. Alright, and inside here, if you open it up, alright, there is, okay, I'll just try to get the front flap up. Alright, there is a USB-C charging port to charge up the speaker. And why is it, you know, hidden inside this rubberized thing? Well, because alright, this speaker is IPX4 water resistant. So if you are probably like, you know, splashes of water, sweats, you know, all this, alright, it doesn't affect the speaker as well. So you can use this for outdoor, for camping as well. Really awesome. Alright, and let's just power it on right now. Okay, alright, they do have LED here, RGB LED here to make it looks more cool. Like if you bring for outdoor parties, alright, you can have this as well. Alright, so yeah, it comes with this, and let me just try to connect it to my phone. Alright, yep, it's automatically detected Sanag M15. I just have to pair my phone. And before I play some music on this, okay, I'm going to talk about a few specifications on why at the start of the video I say this one, alright, has the features and quality of a high-end Bluetooth speaker, yet at a budget-friendly price. So if I'm not wrong, from what I think the price right now, alright, this speaker right here, alright, is less than $50 US, which is extremely cheap, and yet they offer two speakers inside here. So yes, there is two 10-watt speaker here, so it can give you, you know, this thing can goes really loud, alright, and with like a mini subwoofer over here, alright, for the bass. So this thing can really pack a punch in here. Alright, so most of the Bluetooth speaker that probably you get for under $50 US only have one speaker. So this thing has two, so you guys can know how loud this thing can get. Alright, and the battery life on this is really incredible as well. It can place back up to 10 hours of, you know, continuous playback, which is really insane and really amazing. Alright, most of Bluetooth speaker I've owned, alright, at this price range probably lasts me up to only 3 to 4 hours. So this one can last up to 10 hours, which is way more than sufficient. And the charging time only takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge this thing, which is also a plus point as well. Alright, and yeah, I think this is the light button. So I love the buttons here, very easy to control. You can increase the volume, decrease the volume, alright, turn on the LED lights, and oops, Yep, you guys can do different settings on that, as you guys have heard. Alright, yeah, so you can increase, decrease, alright. And yeah, so the buttons are all very easy and convenient. So let's just play some music, alright. I don't think you guys can really feel the music with my mic over here, but at least you guys can kind of hear what it is like. So let me just find some bass heavy songs, alright. Alright, so let me just play some MCS music, alright, bass heavy music.
When you tear up my life.
See this?
Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hard. Hey yo, who made it? Bobby God.
So yeah, you can hear this thing sounds really good. You guys can see this thing vibrating. So yeah, the bass is really amazing on this, and this thing gets really, really loud. Alright. So yeah, this is really incredible, and yeah, definitely you can use this for outdoors, and it will be loud enough for everyone to hear. This is yeah, and it's and then just realize one thing, okay. If you see this size, you might think this is very heavy, but while I'm holding this right now, it doesn't feel heavy at all. I think it's about, even my phone still feels heavier than this, okay? I don't know how much this weighs, but it feels lighter than my phone. This is crazy. Alright, this with 2 speakers, 1 subwoofer, alright, with a huge battery inside here, and it still weighs lighter than my phone. Is really awesome, alright? So yeah, definitely my phone weighs heavier. I mean, I'm using a fold, so a Z Fold, so probably a phone weighs heavier than a normal, flat screen phone, but anyways, this thing still feels really lightweight. So if you want to hang it on your backpack, put it in your bag or anywhere you would, this will not give you the extra weight at all. So it's really incredible, alright, and it sounds really, really amazing. Oh, and one thing that I would like to correct the previous one where I said this one is just to adjust the light. Right? This thing is actually a button for the FM radio as well. So that's why that's why I press at the start, alright, it has this sound, because yeah, this one can also connect to like radio stations and stuff, so you don't have to connect to your phone. So if you want to upload, listen to radio station, alright, you can also use this. Right, but because my nearby I don't have any radio stations, so yeah, you can use this as a FM radio as well, which is really, really cool. So yeah, so out there, if you guys out there are looking for like a really great travel, outdoor, or just a general Bluetooth speaker, right, I highly recommend this one. And yeah, there's a lot of Bluetooth speaker that doesn't even have this subwoofer over here for the bass, or just a random speaker with just 1 speaker, and that's all, alright, for this price range. So I mean, for what they're offering, you get 2 10-watt speaker, a really cool subwoofer bass over here for the bass, alright, really huge button, IPX4, 10 hours of continuous playbacks, alright, and yeah, they give you like this one. It looks really, really nice, super lightweight as well. I mean, there's nothing you guys can complain about the price they're offering and what the features they are giving. Alright, so if you guys want this really incredible, alright, outdoor Bluetooth speaker, you guys can check out the Sanag M15. I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and check out this speaker right here. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you find today's video really interesting and yeah, and help you decide on what Bluetooth speaker to get, do leave it a thumbs up, alright, and comment down below if you are getting this. And that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.